Leli cala bekulindele ukuthi liqale ukuqulwa namhlanje kodwa umbuso awukakulungeli ukuqalwa kwalo ngenxa yokuthi usaqoqa obunye ubufakazi.
Each and every accused that is charged and appears in court has got the right to, before the trial could proceed, to be provided with all the evidence that the state has prepared against the accused. Now, the state has not yet given us the contents of the docket. So the state must give us the contents of the docket so that we can go and prepare and consult with our clients just to check if what is in the state dockets correspond with our instructions. Yeah.
Kepha umndeni awuneme ngalokhu unembuzo eminingi.
The defence could have requested. Now they're saying that they're still investigating. To be fair, in order for us to get to a high court process or the beginning of a high court process, those investigations need to have reached a certain point. So I think it's just delay tactics from the defence at this point. And right now they are adding to the agony that the family is still dealing with. 8 months later, and we still haven't had any response. We are nowhere when it comes to this case.
Umndeni uthi ukuhlehlisa kwaleli cala amaqhinga nje ukuze abantu bagcine sebengenalo isasasa ngalo. Umsolo wesithathu ungaphandle ngebhayili kanti oqala nowesibili bona basagcina isitokisini.